press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello, welcome to social science class. Let us recap what we have learnt in the last class. We have learnt in the last class France, how did France abolish monarchy and becomes republic. When was a republic system declared? September 1792. The new system of government which came into existence, that was called as the convention. There were two groups, Jacobeans, and we have discussed the group of Jacobeans. How were they? What were the features of Jacobeans? Who were included in the Jacobean groups? Let us recap. Shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, as well as servants and daily wage workers. These are all the members were called as Jacobeans. And what are the features of Jacobeans? The point one, number one, they wore themselves ಏನು ಧರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? They wore start wearing long strip trouser and they apart from fashionable section of the society. And next to red cap. Okay, these are all things we have discussed in the class. Next to and last we have discussed the prison of Louis XVI was beheaded on 21 September 1793. After the 4 months, October 16, 1793, Marie Antoinette also was assassinated, okay, beheaded. Next, let us discuss about the 3.1, page number 16, the reign of terror. The reign which means ruling of terror. Terror which means terrorist. You know that terror, Bhayanaka administration. Okay, reign of terror. The period from 1793 to the period from which year was called as reign of terror, from the period from 1793 to 1794. These 2 years were referred of reign of terror. Which year were referred as reign of terror? The period from 1793 to 1794 of France were called as reign of terror. Why? Because there was a mass killing was done by Jacobeans. Who was the leader of Jacobeans? As we discussed in the last class, the leader of Jacobeans, Robespierre. There was a mass killing whom number of people, men and irrespective of men and women, were beheaded by guillotine machine. In guillotine blade, let us discuss. Okay, and next to Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Who was the leader of Jacobeans? Robespierre Robespierre, the leader of Jacobeans, followed a policy of severe control and punishment. There are two policies which were followed by Robespierre. The first one is severe control. The second one is punishment. Which were the two policies were employed by Robespierre? The severe control. Next, punishment. Severe control which means ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ. Those who were going to question against the government, they were controlled by Robespierre and they were punished by Robespierre. Anybody and all of them, nobody questioned against the government. ಯಾರು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಲ್ಲ. ವಿಚ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ವಿಚ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ದ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. It had given the opportunity to make a government of two parties. The first one is Jacobins and Girondists. Jacobins who made a government. The leader of Jacobins, Robespierre, ಇವನೇ ಮಾಡಿದಂಗಾದ್ರೆ his government, all those severe control and punishment which was used by Robespierre, all those who he saw as a being enemies of the republic. Those who ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, he saw as a enemies of his republic. He was the follower of republic government. Enemies of the republic, those who opposed the ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರನ್ನ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. The first one is those who were punished. The first one is the punishment which was given to those who were enemy of republic government. Enemy of republic government. And next ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಂಗಾದ್ರೆ those whom he saw as a being enemies. Enemies ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದ? The first one is republic, enemies of the republic, ex nobles, enemies of republic. The second one is ex nobles, and next one is clergy. Ex nobles, next one is clergy. Next one is clergy, and next to members of other political parties. Members of other political parties. And next one is even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods, his party. Okay, 2 marks question. Those who were called as enemies of the Robespierre. Robespierre na enemies ಗಳು ಯಾರು? Robespierre, those who were punished by and severe controlled by Robespierre. The point number 1, note a point to be noticed. Point number 1, being enemies of the republic, those who oppose republic government. What is republic government? As we discussed in the last period, a republic is a form of government where the people elect the government including the head of the government. There is no hereditary monarchy. This is republic government. This republic government which was opposed by somebody else, though somebody else were beheaded by Robespierre, which means those who opposed the republics, they will become as a enemies of Robespierre. Definitely they would be beheaded by the guillotine machine. And next one is ex nobles. During the French Revolution, the revolutionary period of before 1789, there were nobles. They belonged to second estate of the society, and also ex-nobles and clergy. These two members were enemies of. The first one is ex-nobles and clergy. These two members were the enemies of Robespierre. Yake? Because they were before the French Revolution, they were leading luxurious life, lavish life. That's why Robespierre opposed these two members. Okay, those two members, ex-nobles and clergy. And next, member of other political parties. Those who other political parties, Girondists, they were called as radicals. But Jacobins were called as revolutionaries. The revolutionaries of the Robespierre, as a revolutionary, he opposed ಜಿರಾಂಡಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಡಿಕಲ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಆಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ದೇ ವರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ಹೆಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಇವನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಹೂ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, imprisoned and then tried by a revolutionary tribunals. These all members, those his party members also, even andre his party, which means his party, whose party, which party, Jacobean party. Is even his party members also were beheaded, those who opposed his methods, his revolutionary methods. In Danton example, he is also belonged to his party, but he opposed, he was beheaded by him. ಅವನ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಅವನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, even members of his party who did not agree with his method. What is his method? Revolutionary method. Whatever it, he did not take care about. Whatever it, they would be beheaded. They would be executed by the guillotine. Okay, those who were beheaded by the guillotine, the first one is enemies of republic, those who opposed republic system, ex-nobles, clergies, member of other party, member of his party, those who opposed republic system and his methods were arrested. ಅವರನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, were arrested and next to were arrested, imprisoned and next to tried by revolutionary tribunal. What is arrested? Arrest ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. and imprisoned means imprisoned, which means ಬಂಧಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal, which means revolutionary courts. Revolutionary courts ಗೆ they were taking to revolutionary courts. The court, if the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. After, if the found it gave justice. If the court gives justice as a culprit, as a accuser, guilty, they were guillotined. The guillotine is one of the device consisting of two folds. Not here, the guillotine, this is one of the machine, the guillotine here like this, ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. The guillotine is one of the machine. It consisting of two folds. There are two folds. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರನ್ನ, devising of, you have to remember very carefully, guillotine machine is a device consisting of two folds. North and south, male and up and down, and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Now here is this is the blade. ಚೂಪು ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ಲು ಶಾರ್ಪ್. There is a sharp blade. Okay, next here also full sharp. Next, here this is full sharp. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಚೆಂಡನ್ನು ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡು ಚೆಂಡು ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್, ಇನ್ನೇನಂತ ಕರೀತಿದ್ರು, ಗಿಲೋಟಿನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಗಿಲೋಟಿನ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್. A guillotine machine is a device consisting of two poles and blade with a person is beheaded. ಇವನಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಂಡಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಹಂಗಂತ ಚೆಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಚಕ್ಕನ ಕಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಆರಿಬಿಡೋದು. ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಮೇವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಚ್ಕೊಲ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಮೇವು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಚ್ಕೊಲ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಚಕ್ಕನಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇವು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗಿಲೋಟಿನ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಡೆಡ್ ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆರರ್ during this time, there are number of people who were beheaded in the guillotine machine by Robespierre. This was called as, that's why it was called as Reign of Terror. Okay, why was it called as the Reign of Terror? Because there were number of people who were beheaded by guillotine in the Reign of Terror. And next, it was named after guillotine. Who invented it? Who invented guillotine machine? Dr. Guillotine. Who invented it? Okay. Robespierre government issues laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. What were the achievements of Robespierre? What were the achievement of Robespierre as the leader of convention government, convention government and Jacobean party? Here, who is the leader of Karnataka? Who is the leader of BJP party? Yediyurappa. The government name is BJP government. Like this, there was a convention government. Here in Karnataka, state legislative government. There, convention government. Here party is BJP. The leader of BJP, Yediyurappa. He became the chief minister of Karnataka. Okay. Here also, there also same. Robespierre government was the leader of government. Laws placing maximum ceiling on wages and prices. The point number one, a maximum ceiling on wages and price. On wages and price. On wages and prices. Okay. And next, what were the achievements of Robespierre as the leader of Jacobin government, the Jacobin party, and as well as a leader of convention government? The point number one, second, meat and bread were rationed. Meat and bread were rationed. Let us discuss one by one. The first one is a maximum ceiling on wages and next to prices. No, what did he maintain? He maintained the prices, wages, maximum ceiling on wages andre full ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, and prices of any material, any things and daily things ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗದಂತೆ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡ ಆ maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Second point is meat and bread were rationed. ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಪಡಿತರ ಚೀಟಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, those who have got BPL and APL and Antyodaya card. There also the government has provided, Robespierre government had provided meat and bread were rationed. Meat, which means meat, and bread means roti, were rationed, which means ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. And next, third point is, what were the achievements of Robespierre? Peasants were forced to transport. Peasants were forced to transport. Just to make a point, transport. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at price. Sell it at prices fixed by the government. Third point is And next point, the use of more expensive. Next point ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Use of more expensive. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. And next one is next, peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it. The peasants who had grown the grain would be sold out in the market in the city. Okay, as fixed by the price would be fixed by the government. Okay, this is one of the point. This is one of the achievement of Robespierre. What was the point? Peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it at prices fixed by the government. And next point, the use of more expensive white flour, which means flour, wheat, godi, and white flour was forbidden, which means the white flour would not be increased their rate. Andre white flour andre adu the daily using, they wanted white flour for making bread, that's why the use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Next, all citizens were required to eat the plain daylight equality bread. All citizens were required to eat the plain daylight. Okay, and next, a loaf made of whole wheat. Next point, all citizens. Point number 5, all citizens were required to eat the plain equality bread. And next, a loaf made of whole wheat. Okay. All citizens were required to eat the equality bread. It was called as delegate. All citizens were required to eat equality bread. The bread should not be shortage. That's why he maintained the equality bread, a loaf of made whole wheat. A loaf of bread in a tundu made whole wheat. Equality was also sought to be, next point, equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Equality bare ಇವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ದೇ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. That's why they called everyone, instead of traditional money sir and madam. All French men and women were henceforth citoyenne, citizen. Okay na? ಅವರನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಯೋ ಬದಲಿ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋ ಬದಲಿ ಸರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮೋನಿ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೊಡೆಮೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ French men and women were henceforth afterwards citoyen and citoyenne. Churches were shut down. Next point is churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. Barracks which means soldier house and offices. These are all the achievements which were made by Robespierre. What were the achievements made by Robespierre? Point number 1, a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗದಂತೆ ತಡೆದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ವರ್ ರೇಷನಡ್. ಮೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ವರ್ ರೇಷನಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it at a price fixed by the government. Third point. And next one is the use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Forbidden which means ನಿಷೇಧಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಏನು? ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೇಟಿಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ? ನಿಷೇಧಿಸಿದ. ಹಿ ಅಬಾಲಿಶ್ಡ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ದ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ should not sell flour for highest rate. Okay, the use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. And next one is, next point, a loaf made up of whole wheat. A loaf made up of whole wheat. Equality was also, next point, equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Equality were not showing only these things. Equality was also seeing, was also practicing through forms of speech and address. ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕರೆಯೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ಈಕ್ವಲಿಟಿನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮನಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ವರ್ ಎನ್ಸ್ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸಿಟೋಯನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಟೋಯನ್ನೆ. ದೀಸ್ ವರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸಿಟೋಯನ್ನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಚರ್ಚಸ್ ವರ್ ಶಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದೇರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ಯಾರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಫೀಸಸ್. Churches, it referred as a privileged society. That's why churches were, before French Revolution, the churches were, they gained enormous wealth, enormous land. That's why churches were shut down. And next down there, buildings converted into barracks, which means soldiers' house and officers. These are all the achievements. These are all the major reforms were made by Robespierre. What were the reforms made by Robespierre? Let us discuss one by one. The point number 1, clean and ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. A maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat, bread and were rationed. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to their cities, sell it at prices fixed by the government. Third point. Next, fourth point, the use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. Fifth point, all citizens were required to eat the plain delegate equality bread. Sixth point, a loaf made up of whole wheat. Seventh point, equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Point number 8, instead of the traditional minister and madam, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. Next, last point 10, churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or officers. Just to make a point, 10 points are very important. This is the 5 marks question. These are all what I have told. These are all the achievements of reforms were made by Robespierre. Next, Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand modernization. Robespierre pursued which means follow his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand modernization. So many his followers, they demanded modernization. They did not follow the policies of Robespierre. Robespierre ನನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. He was finally ಅವರವರಲ್ಲೇ ಜಗಳ ಆಯಿತು. There was a clashes among the Jacobean clubs between Danton and Robespierre. Danton was beheaded by the guillotine and finally he was also convicted by a court in July 1704. Convicted, which means ಅಪರಾಧ ಸಾಬೀತಾಯಿತು. Convicted by court in 1794 July, arrested, he was arrested and the next day sent to the guillotine. ಇವನನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಗಿಲೋಟಿನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ದ reign of terror was ended by the death of Robespierre. Okay, what we have discussed in this session, the first reign of terror, which were called as reign of terror, and next what were the policies used by Robespierre, and next those who were enemies of Robespierre, the churches, nobles, richer person, the ex-noble, churches, other party members, and their party members who did not agree his policy, and next those who opposed republic system. These are all the enemies of Robespierre. And next, what were the reforms made by Robespierre? Let us discuss once again. Meat and bread were rationed, 1 point. A maximum ceiling on wages and prices, 2nd point. Peasants were forced to transport their grain and cities sell it at prices fixed by the government. 3rd point. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. 5th point. And next one is all citizens were required to eat the plain equality bread. Next point, a loaf made of whole wheat. 8th point, equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. Point number 9, instead of the traditional minister of Madame, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. Next point, churches were shut down. Next point, their buildings converted into barracks of officers. Okay, these 2 points. So next, Jacobins died. To here, the reign of terror ended. Next, the direct rules of France. The fall of Jacobin government. How did the government fall? By the death of Robespierre. Allowed to wealthier middle class to seize power. The new government came into existence, that was called as directory government. Directory government. A new government, Jacobin government, allowed the wealthier middle classes. The fall of the Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize power. The French power which goes to wealthier middle class. To seize power, a new constitution was introduced which denied the vote non-propertized sections of society. Okay, a new constitution was introduced. New constitution bantu. A new constitution which was introduced. And next, new constitution which was introduced 1795 to it was still being 1799. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ it was practiced from 1795 to 1799. After the reign of terror, new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertized sections of the society. ಇದು ಡಿನೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ವೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪವರ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? those who have not owning the property. Those who have not owning the property, they were denied the voting rights, and it provided for two elected legislative council. It provided, the first one is upper house, this middle class, new government, directory government. New government, it was called as directory government. Two houses. Here in India also two houses, upper house and lower house. Upper house and lower house. Upper house and lower house. In the upper house, 500 representatives, and lower house, in the upper house, in the upper house 250 members, and next lower house 500 members. Lower house, upper house 250 members, lower house 500 members. Okay, and next those who participate in the upper house, those who have crossed 40 years age, those those who had to participate in the lower house, they had to cross 30 years of age. They had to cross 30 years of age. And next, only this, the participation and get to elected and writing vote, which was given to only ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೈಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಮೆನ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಹೌಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್. And next one is, there are 3 organs of the government as we discussed in the last class: legislature, executive and judiciary. Next, let us discuss the executive. Executive, which was made up of five executive, this is called legislature, which was made up of upper class and lower class, and executive, which was made up of 5 members: member number 1, member number 2, member number 3, member number 4, member number 5. Total executive, which was made up of 5 members, then appointed as directory. Everyone they were calling as directors. They were called as directors. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a man. Executive is under the Jacobeans. Here, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಕೈಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲಿ they had given 5 members, they had provided 5 members, they were called as directors. Okay, these was meant the safeguard against the concentration of power in one man. Executive as the under the Jacobeans. In the Jacobean power, as they experienced in the Jacobean power, under the Jacobean government, the power which was concentrated by the Robespierre, he started reign of terror. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಕೈ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ, ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಬಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ, then appointed directory, executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a man. Executive as under the Jacobeans power iddante irbardu antandeli, should not be as a Jacobean powers, should be as a directory government. idra prakara irbekanteli hange madidru. And next, however, the directors often clash. There is a problem which arisen, another problem. The directors often clashing. The clashes which took place among the directors. Directors madhye enaitu galate aitu with the legislative council, who then sought to dismiss them. Everyone then sought to dismiss by legislature. The political instability of the directory paved the way for the rise of military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte, one of the famous emperor in the world, was the infancy of French Revolution. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಶಿಶು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Because he was observing all things what were happening in France. The directors, they were clashing among themselves. As a result, Napoleon who came to power, there was a unemployment situation which was arising in France. And next one is the inflation which was arising in France. And next to the loan, the government loan which had been increased. And next, the people did not, again it was like the administration of Louis XVI. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಲೂಯಿಸ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ in this situation, Dukas and CS, there are two persons, they were calling Napoleon, you establish your government ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, 1799 November 9, one swift revolution which was made by Napoleon, and he started consulate government. He was the emperor of France. He started consulate government, then 1804 he was called as emperor of France, and he ruled 1799 to 1815. ಯಾರು? Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, next let us discuss Napoleon Bonaparte. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideas of freedom, all these changes in the form of government, the first one is National Assembly, next one is conservative, okay, and next one is directory government. These three government who came into existence we have discussed from starting to here. These three governments, these are all the governments, they gave the idea of freedom, equality before the law, and fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movement in France and the rest of the Europe during the following century. Nodri, these three ideas, it was not only affected the rest of the Europe, it was also affected on India. It provoked for freedom movement in India. During this time, India was ruled by British. As a result of French Revolution, the government's policies of French Revolution, equality, it was borrowed from French Revolution, freedom was borrowed from French Revolution, fraternity was borrowed from French Revolution. These are all motivated political movements in France and rest of the Europe during this century. Okay, what we have discussed in this class, the first one is Reign of Terror, which era was called as Reign of Terror, and next what were the reforms of Robespierre, and next directory government. Okay, I hope you have understood. Thank you.